viewers, how are you? Today I'm going to show you my 2020 sketchbook. This sketchbook I've created between January, June this year, and I'm really thrilled about it. I can talk about it for ages, but all I can say, it has created for me a concept of thinking using a sketchbook as like a folder of art and not as a planner of new pieces. So this sketchbook is kind of a whole piece, as I said. One thick artwork. So I have a few favorite drawings in the sketchbook, and some people said that different drawings are their favorite, but my favorite drawings, I'll mention them with a little GIF on the side if you want to enjoy them. So what made me work on this sketchbook as a finished piece is that I saw a lot of videos on YouTube of people that are creating amazing sketchbooks that really filled my brain with creativity. So some of these sketchbooks were colored sketchbook. Even those ones that weren't accepted, they were all very inspiring for me. Seeing these sketchbooks really made me think of sketchbook as finished pieces. They gave me some motivations to create my own sketchbook as a piece, and what made me think of sketchbook as something that contributes not only in the idea and forming of a big artwork as an artwork as itself. And storing pieces in sketchbooks is so much easier. I hope you enjoyed the sketchbook. I will put some music of my dear friend TUU. Feel free to leave a comment and say what you think. Anyway, have a nice day and a beautiful week.